Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate presentation slide with Gemini AI with Google Slides. Hey, what is up everyone? Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides. So first, you may want to head over at Google Slides. You just type in docs.google.com/presentation and you should be able to be redirected in this page. And from here, we can start with a blank presentation. Also, make sure that you're logged in to your Google Slides account. And from here, just click on this icon, click on the Gemini icon, and we can start by clicking on try at no cost. So from here, we're just going to proceed by once again clicking on try at no cost for 14 days. You will then be redirected on the checkout page and this will cost you $15.12 monthly plus tax. And to proceed, you just have to add in your payments profile, then proceed with agree and continue. And once the payment is done, you can now enjoy Gemini AI's features with your Google Slides. All you have to do is type exactly what you need, and within seconds, Gemini will create ready to use titles, bullet points, and even image ideas tailored to your topic. With Gemini AI, you don't have to waste time building slides from scratch. Just let Gemini AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on delivering a killer presentation. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!